AirTalk Wireless provides free wireless service to eligible low-income households through the FCC's Lifeline program. After applying, you can easily check your application status online or by phone. To check online, visit airtalkwireless.com and use the tracking number you received during the application process. An AI-powered chatbot is available for real-time status updates. You can also call 1-855-478-6789 to inquire about your application. Common statuses include received, under review, approved, denied, or pending verification. Real-time updates can also be received via SMS email notifications if opted in during the application. Be prepared to provide your application details for verification. The typical approval timeframe for AirTalk Wireless applications is 30 to 90 days, averaging around 45 days. However, processing times can extend to 120 days during peak periods, such as tax season. Expedited reviews may be available in urgent cases. Delays can occur due to high application volumes or supply chain issues for subsidized devices. Common reasons for denial include insufficient documentation or incomplete information. If your application is denied, you can file an appeal within 30 days, providing any missing or clarifying information. Make sure all documents, such as pay stubs, utility bills, or program IDs, are valid and current. The FCC has tightened fraud detection, so ensure all information is accurate.